Time to make Copilot your new best friend. Once your Plus subscription is activated and you log in, you'll see in the top right a quick access to Genix Copilot. You can see all the different options, including the ability to change language, see your history, which saves for 30 days, and expand the view to a larger view, as well as directly support requests through here. It shows you some key features that you can have, so documentation, getting support, and DQR report analysis. We have our prompt guide, which is a learning module that helps you understand prompting to get the most out of our specific version of Copilot, as well as some great quick prompts if you're not sure exactly what to ask. Things like how to use the devices, finding parts, drift, all sorts of things. Click the prompt, it's going to auto-populate, but say this isn't the device you want, we just change it to what you're interested in. Some additional prompts that you can use. We have the ability to fetch documents as well, so not only tell me about it, but you could ask it specifically for the datasheet for this device. When you click the plus at the bottom, the top of the page, it will create a new chat for you. If you want to separate them out, obviously you can keep everything within one chat conversation if you like. Something else you might like to do though is around troubleshooting. And if you've got a specific problem that you're looking into, say a specific error code, you can investigate that with Copilot. So you can, depending on the product, you might be more generic. It might find the error code correctly that you want, or it might have multiple options, so you might need to give more information. So in this case, which module? So am I asking about the AO2000, Sensi Plus, etc.? So I need to be more specific. So in this case, we'll say it's the AO2000. At which point it will get me more information specifically about error code 104 for the AO2000 product. And here you can see it tells me what it means. It gives me possible causes and some recommended troubleshooting based on that information, as well as referencing any relevant documents that I can look at. So these are just a few of the ways that you can use Copilot, but there are many other ways and topics that you can talk to about, and just give it a go and see how you like it.